Hello everyone, are you tired of spending hours editing videos? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can create professional motion graphics, animations, and social media ads in just seconds? Sounds interesting, right? Today let's check out Hera.Video, your AI motion designer that brings your ideas to life with just a simple prompt. The link is available in the description. Once you click on it, you'll land on the dashboard. Simply create your account and you'll see an interface like this. Now, what makes Hera.Video special is that it works as your AI motion designer. Instead of manually spending hours designing, you can create stunning motion graphics just by chatting with Hera. At the center, you'll notice a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. You can type anything you want to create. At the top, you'll see the widescreen button where you can set your video specifications. You can pick aspect ratios like horizontal, vertical, square, or portrait, depending on where you want to use the video. You can also set the duration 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, up to 30 seconds and more. Below the prompt box, you'll find extra options to make your design even better. You can upload images, add your own video, import music, and more. For example, I'll type a simple prompt. Create a call to action outro animation saying, "Subscribe for more tech tips." Before generating, you can also choose a brand style to keep your content consistent. There's even an option to enable Ensure Good Design, which takes a little longer but gives you a more polished result. Plus, you can click the Enhance Prompt button, which automatically improves your prompt for the best outcome. Once you're ready, just hit Generate. The tool will take a few moments. And then your animation is ready. You can preview it, and the best part is you can fully customize everything: colors, fonts, design elements, sizes, and more. On the left sidebar, you'll see other powerful features like projects, templates, and export options. Under templates, you'll find a wide range of pre-designed options. If you like one, just select it, preview, and start customizing. It's that simple. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Hera.Video gives you the power to design high-quality motion graphics in just a few clicks without needing professional design skills. For example, I really like this map template. If I open it, you can instantly preview how it looks. The best part is, you can completely customize it. But at the top, you'll notice different map style options like dark, light, colorful, and more. For example, if I switch to dark mode, the entire map updates to that theme. You can test out different themes to see which one fits your video best. You can also adjust the view mode to vertical, square, or horizontal depending on where you want to use the video. Plus, you're not limited to just one map. Using the prompt box, you can request any location. For example, if I type "Show the Japan map," it will instantly generate the Japan map for me. Once you're happy with your design, just click on the export button. You can export your motion graphics video in 4K quality, Full HD, or other resolutions, and even choose the frame rate. So that's how easy it is to create professional motion graphics using Hera.Video. The link is in the description if you'd like to try it out. Honestly, it's one of the best graphic design tools I've tested so far. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.